Welcome to the Old Vicarage, a Gower property steeped in local history.
The property has had a deep and sympathetic renovation over the years, and it's retained many of its original features.
Let us walk you around, see for yourself. The ground floor of this beautiful property is flanked by fantastic views across the garden.
We have 3 beautifully appointed reception rooms and this stunning orangery. Now, if you were in the market for a slice of Gower historical charm, the Old Vicarage could be right for you.
This place is truly magical. To view this property with us, you know what to do. Give us a call and we'll see you soon.